Today we are going to be making a Boozy Nutella Shake-tini. It only needs a few ingredients and it is so delicious. So let's get started. I'm so lucky to have my sister Suzanne here with me today. She's going to be helping with the recipe. And we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of Nutella. So we're going to get it all spooned out and get it into the blender.
A little bit extra, never hurt anybody.
Never hurt anybody. Next up, 2 scoops of the ice cream of your choice. You can do vanilla for a traditional. We have a chocolate chip ice cream. So it's basically vanilla and chocolate chips, and it's awesome. Next, 1 shot of milk. So it's about 1.5 ounces of milk, and you want to fill it all the way to that rim. Then we're going to do 2 shots of Bailey's, and this is going to make 2 serving sizes. And again, you can choose the Bailey's of your choice. This is Bailey's Light, which I find very delicious, but you can do traditional Bailey's as well. And they have a lot of fun flavors. There might be a really cool flavor that pairs really well with the Nutella. If you find it, I would love to hear it in the comment sections. And now we blend. I'm gonna put it on basically for a shake. So now all we have to do is make the glasses gorgeous. First, we're going to dip our little Martini glasses into the Nutella.
And swirl it around a little bit.
Swirl it around. Get it nicely on the rim.
Oh, that looks gorgeous.
And then you're going to dip it in sugar, which is also plated. Oh, it's ready. We'll do the second one now.
And we just swirled some Nutella on the plate and poured some sugar as well, making sure that it's the width.
The correct width of whatever glass you're using.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now we got the sugar. Oh, these are so pretty. Now all we have to do is pour in the Boozy Nutella Shaketinis.
Note, you can also make a non-alcoholic version of these by substituting 2 additional shots of milk instead of the alcohol. Both versions of this recipe are in the description below.
These look so delicious. So all we have left to do is enjoy. Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, these are so good. These are so good. Thank you so much for joining me today to make these. This was so much fun, Suze.
So much fun.
And thank you so much for being here with us. And if you've enjoyed yourself, I would love it if you would like and subscribe below. And leave us a comment if you try this, if you like it, or what kind of ice cream did you use? We'd love to know. Cheers.
Cheers.